Welcome everyone to this video. This morning I'm going to be cleaning and scrubbing my dishwasher. So it's very important to keep up with things around your home. And this YouTube platform is for that also, not only with plant-based eating, but also keeping up your home. And so I'm gonna do a little video on cleaning my dishwasher. I've been wanting to do this for weeks now, and I'm just now getting to it. As you can see, I just got a shower and my hair is just a wreck, but I want to get this done and knocked out today. I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I just have a little bit of water and hot water, and I'm going to put just a little bit of dish soap in that water, kind of help agitate it a little bit and give it a little bit of oomph. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on my rubber gloves because I'm going to be using some baking soda, and I'm also going to be using some peroxide. And I have just a little scrubber sponge here. Get this straight up a little bit. A little scrubber sponge here, and then I also have some little peroxide and some toothbrush, an old toothbrush. So I save old toothbrushes for jobs like this where you can clean the vent and you can clean different things. So we're gonna go ahead and start in the back of it first. So I'm gonna just take some of this soapy water here, and I'm just gonna start scrubbing back here. I'm working with a sore arm, so. Other side here. I'm just trying to hit all areas, right? Just trying to. Some areas are dirtier than others. Eventually I may get a new dishwasher, but for now, just trying to take care of the one I got. Pretty good. Then I'm going to go ahead and, especially the door, back there doesn't seem so bad, but I'm just going to put down a little bit of baking soda here. Scrub a little bit of this. Scrub up here a little bit too. Dip it in a little bit of the baking soda, kind of helps. Really gets a little discolored. We have well water, so it gets a little discolored. I put on a little too much baking soda. It'll all get worked out. Just it's sitting on there for a little bit. helps. Who wants to put their dishes into dishwasher that's yucky, right? Do the rubber casing thing here. Make sure that that's clean. Way down there, we can hardly reach it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit of this. Whatever you think that you might want to use the little toothbrush for, you can go ahead and use that wherever you see fit, you know, wherever you think that you might need it. The top rack does not come out, or if at least if it does come out, I don't know how it comes out, so I'm just gonna leave that portion. Okay. I'll jump down there. Likes to get caught. Just sit in there. So that getting out of there. Run this. Get it done. I think that helps with a lot. Get this all. These little crevice. And when I do my dishes in here, what I do is I put the dishes in there. Once I put one dirty dish in here, I put the soap in right away. So I know that those dishes did not run yet. And so if you open it up and there's no soap, that means they're clean. And if there's a soap sitting in there, that means they're dirty. So that's what's helped me to keep it straight on what is what, right? So you want to know if they're clean or dirty. I'm sure every household has them sitting in there from time to time where they don't get put away right away. Sop up some of this water. This becomes so much wider now. The door was really bad. And that's from well water. I think we have it pretty darn good. Rack. hard to get in there, but we can do what we can reach. There's probably a way that this comes out, but I'm not gonna mess with it. Okay, and then I just want to take the brush and clean this little here. Better, it has some little grooves in it. Heating element. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put the other rack in there. And run it. I thought maybe there would be some really hard spots that I needed to do some little peroxide, but the thing that would be maybe right in here. This. You can see it bubble up. Just trying to get this nice and white. For the most part, it wasn't too bad, but I was thinking it was really bad. It looked so much better than it did. So that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and put some soap in here, and I'm going to run it and get it all cleaned out, put the other rack in there, and it will be all nice and clean. So if this video helped you, go ahead and clean your dishwasher as well. So we'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye now.